so cute. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm just a Barbie. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. Yay! And look at this. Ta-da! I did Barbie pink cookies. Yay! I've done a really similar recipe before on my YouTube channel. I was craving for it because I was running out of flour for a month since quarantine started, because some hoarders got all flowers from grocery stores in LA. So it's so hard for us to find flour right now. I'm like, what are they doing? Are they trying to be like a baker or something, you know? But today, earlier, I just found I had literally a half bag of flour left. I had some left over in my shelf. So that's why I could finally make some cookies, like a pink cookies, super cute Barbie pink cookies. Let me show you how I did. All the ingredients I'm putting on my description so you can check there. So please enjoy watching. Let's start. I'm starting from butter with my pink bowl. It's a little difficult to beat it right now because it's not soft enough yet. I think I'm gonna put beet powder right now. But we are baking today, so I know I might need to put fruit color. Sometimes beet powder turns a little darker. The color turns darker when you bake. I know you guys want to keep it healthier. You know, the food color is always optional. But even with beet powder, it makes the color totally pinker. You know, totally pink. Whew. My hands are getting tired. But of course, it's worth it. Because you see, it's getting creamier. It looks like beet powder is well dissolved. Look, pretty pink. I'm sure the color is gonna be way lighter because we are adding egg and flour now. So let me do a little bit more beet powder. Okay, now we put sugar. Put sugar. Okay, it's really cute pink mixture. And now we put an egg. So we put one egg, but I want to put this egg little by little. So first, oops, I broke. First, I need to beat it. Put this egg into this mixture 3 times. So just little by little. Just little by little. It makes it easier. On the second one. And all of them. And now don't need whisk anymore and have spatula with you. I have pink one. And now we need to put flour. I think I want to separate into 2 pieces. Then I want to make a lighter pink and darker pink this time. Only at the end I use my hand, but when you're mixing, you don't want to mix with hand too much. It will totally affect the texture. Up to this one, I want to make it pinker. I'm putting some food color. But like I said, it's optional. I didn't want to use my hand, but to make the food color mix, I had to. Doesn't really look different. It might look different when you bake, you know. Wrap these and rest in fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, put in fridge. So here are, I made 2 of them, but you know what? They look pretty similar. But like I mentioned earlier, they might look different after I bake. Let's see. You know what? Today I'm also doing quarantine daily life on YouTube. So today I'm gonna also live stream while I'm baking this. So it's gonna be fun. Usually I don't put rub when I roll with rolling pin, but I'm making on my Barbie table, so I don't want to, you know, make a mess. That's why I'm doing over wrap. So now let's start with heart. I want to use this and press it like a stamp, you know. So I put like a stamp like this and placing on the baking sheet. Okay, so for this one, I want to put this, the Barbie head. So maybe I put here and then press it. I don't know how much pressure I should give. Ah, stuck. Ah, slightly. Should I press it more? No, I shouldn't do it, right? Maybe it's not enough. This one is easier to press because I can see it. Let's see. Come on. I pressed harder, but it doesn't look good. And for this one, I want to try something a little different. I want to cut out with another heart inside. Cute. Ooh, I love this one. Okay, now it's good. So I'm gonna put this into the oven. Put into the oven and bake for 15 minutes. So while I'm baking, I am catching up people's comment there. I'm filming, you guys. Yeah, so I added a little artificial food color in this one. So that's why it looks more bright. I know some of you hate artificial food color. And of course, I prefer not using it, but trust me, I'm not eating this every single day. And I'm literally adding just a tiny bit when I use. So yeah, it's okay. And you know me, in general, I'm eating pretty healthy. So please don't judge my diet. I'm using my Barbie pink rolling pin. I thought color didn't look much different from the Beets powder one, but actually now I see the difference. It looks darker, yeah. You know what? It started smelling really good. Yeah, I can smell from the oven. Yay, pink heart, darker pink heart. It's literally Barbie pink. Pretty. Smells really good. Wait, I wanna check because I'm so afraid. Ah! I will show you. It doesn't look that good. I think I did too long. Oh no. Oh no. I really like this open heart one. Really hard to see. So let's not do this one anymore. So let's do only this one. This time, you know what? I'm not gonna bake for 15 minutes. Let's do 13. The second try. So So let me try it in this. So this one is non-artificial color one, only beets powder one. And I overbaked, so the color looks totally... What color is this? Like a brown. But compared to regular cookie, I'm pretty sure it's pinker. Yeah, still pink. Let me eat this overbaked one. The Barbie silhouette one is like slightly. You can tell slightly. It didn't work well, but it's still pink. Itadakimasu. So good! めっちゃ美味しい。めちゃめちゃ美味しい。It doesn't look perfect pink, but tastes super good. Cannot wait for the another one, the Barbie pink one. I'm already checking. Wow. This is cute. Little burn on the edge, but yeah, it's good. Third round. This time I have more little pink one. So I'm still chilling these, but I have some cookie dough left. So I'm gonna eat this. Too jealous. I'm eating cookie dough. Pink cookie dough. My mom used to yell at me when I was eating cookie dough. Here in the US, cookie dough is more popular, I think. But in Japan, people still think we're not supposed to eat it. I'm eating cookie dough. So good. To be really honest, this cookie dough tastes better than actual cookie. But don't get me wrong, real cookie is still yummy. Really yummy. Let's see. Looks so good. Yeah, these are the cutest color. Looks so good. Cute. Let's eat them. Ta-da! So cute. Looks so yummy too. I mean, I have tried this recipe before, so I know the taste, and the taste is always good. Ta-da! Oh my god. Looks so good. I already tried one, the super fresh baked one, but let me try another one. I also want to check how they taste after they are chilled, you know. I don't want to have the perfect looking one because I want to take more photos. Maybe I'm having the overbaked one. But you can still see Barbie logo. せーの、いただきます。I have tried several different cookies recipe, but literally this one is my favorite. Simple. All American cookies are too sweet to me. I totally thought this one was a little overbaked, but actually when you bite it, the inside is totally pink. You know what I learned today? So when you bake pink cookies, the baking time should be a little shorter than usual one. Because you know, for regular cookie recipe, I like how they taste when the edge was turning a little brown for regular cookie recipe. You know what I'm saying, right? But we cannot do that with pink cookies. When the edge was turning brown, like even slightly brown, they don't look good anymore. So I totally recommend to bake shorter time. Super satisfied. So proud of myself. Again, this is my very favorite recipe for cookies. I think it looks cute, but for taste, I totally like without. Yeah, less sugar, healthier. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye bye.